My name is Kelly Hotchkiss, and I'm a second-year Ph.D. student in Biomedical Engineering. My expected graduation is 2015. This was a Young Investigator Award for the International Association of Dental Research, and it was from a pool of 96 abstracts. They selected 17 of basic science and 16 for clinical applications. From this group, they narrowed it down to 3 students to present their, PhD students to present their research in an oral presentation that was for 10 minutes, and followed by a 20-minute question and answer with 3 judges from different countries. For this research, I looked at 2 different clinically used dental materials, which was a titanium and a titanium zirconium alloy, and we were looking at how the surface modifications were able to activate the immune system to potentially lead to greater inflammation or osseointegration, which is formation of bone around the implant, and ultimate survival of the implant. Dr. Oliveros Navarrete was my advisor for this research, and we funded this through a grant we received last year from the International Association of Dental Research and the Association of Osseointegration. I was actually really nervous because it was my first time presenting my research for my PhD, and it was supposed to be a closed session, but they allowed people to come in, so that just made it more nerve-wracking. But after the 10-minute presentation, when we got to have the question and answer, I really enjoyed that part, being able to talk back and forth and answer what my thought process was for each step of the research. We're hoping to see what different surface modifications we can apply to actually control the immune system and be able to elicit a immune regulation response and tissue regeneration, or a chronic inflammatory response to maybe activate the cells to battle diseases and basically heal the patient from the inside. And we also want to see if these surface modifications will translate to different materials other than metals that could potentially degrade and allow for tissue regeneration. I really want to work in a company or in academia, I'm not sure yet, but that will be able to take this basic science and translate it to medicine and be able to help more people with what we've learned in basic research.